We have the new ImpactHero case from Speck for the Pixel 6a, specially made for Google Pixel. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the ImpactHero case from Speck. Fairly new case. I've never reviewed this one before, but you can go ahead and pick it up for $29.95. In the description below there is a link to their website. I think that's the only place you can find it. They do say it's coming soon, so it's the indigo blue one is available. I think they call it Persian blue with cloudy gray, and their matte black one like this one right here says it's coming soon, but there is a link you can hit so you can get notified when it's available. So without further ado, let's take a look at this beautiful case. Quick features here is a warranty guarantee. It has that microband technology, so it's pretty much like germ free. It is rated at 8-foot drop protection. It does have some soft touch. I think it says soft touch. I don't know what that is. Soft touch. Ooh, it's this soft touch right here. So very clean, minimalistic looking case. The back is soft touch. You got Speck branding there. Boom, look at that. Feels good, looks good. You do have that anti-drop protection there. Let's go ahead and very nice snug fit there, if my add. And you do have tremendous lip protection around the display there, even with a tempered glass screen protector. So this is tempered glass screen protector, and you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. You're not scratching up the screen or that tempered glass screen protector, and you do have the same protection around the camera lens in the back, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. You are not gonna go ahead and scratch up that camera lenses. Your power buttons are 100% covered. Nice and tactile, very responsive. On the left side of the case you have absolutely nothing. Your cutouts are nice and precise for your power, mic, and speaker. Plenty of room right there for your third-party charging cable if you want to go ahead and plug that in. The mic on top, nice and precise. Very solid, good looking case. Very snug. Tempered glass screen protector friendly. Not a bad case from Speck. Looking good, feels good in hand, soft to the touch as they said in their packaging. Made for Google Pixel. Obviously it is, because it has a perfect fit on your Pixel 6a. Can't go wrong with this. This is the ImpactHero Pixel 6 case from Speck. $29.95. Let me know down in the comment section below if you think this is worth $29.95. In my opinion, it's a nice quality premium case. I think it absolutely is. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Link to the website will be in the description if you want to go ahead and pick this up for yourself. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.